Look, I don't know what it is, whether it's genetics or biology, but men are out here trying to be as big as possible in every aspect of their life, from their height to their muscle strength to even, well, down there. And today I'm going to show you the mistakes that you're doing on a regular basis that as a dude is making you just look smaller. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to make you look like a beast. Let's hop into this. Matter of fact, it's kind of hot. Let's hop into this. Number one, and the most common thing that you do is you slouch. This is probably the biggest killer of your height. Every dude knows women love taller men. And it doesn't necessarily mean you have to be 6 foot. You just gotta be taller than her. And most guys don't know is that the way that they're carrying themselves is literally robbing you from 2 to 3 inches. See, if you were to stand up straight with your spine straight, your head held high, you will immediately add about 2 to 3 inches to your height. Don't believe me? Look at this. When I'm slouching, I'm like 5'11", 6. As soon as I stand up straight, I'm 6'2". Why are you robbing yourself from that height? Number two, you reduce your blood flow. See, blood flow is important. It takes nutrients all over your body. It also removes toxins, but it's also important for the guy downstairs. See, anything that limits your circulation will make the guy downstairs softer. Your erections will be weaker, and in some cases, it can even lead to erectile dysfunction. A good example of this is drinking a lot of alcohol. See, alcohol is a dehydrator. When your body's dehydrated, blood volume drops, and that's why you got a limp noodle. That's why you're going soft all the time. So I'm gonna help you out. I want you to increase as much blood flow as possible so the guy downstairs has the biggest erection possible. And with that, I recommend you use our sponsor, Rougiette. See, other companies claim to make you ready quick, but unlike other companies, Rougiette has a sublingual delivery and a revolutionary combination that makes you ready in 15 minutes or less. Now that is being ready on the spot. The cool thing is that it looks like gum. Like you can literally carry it. It looks like gum. It tastes like a breath mint. You literally just pop it, put it under your tongue, it dissolves, and in 15 minutes or less, you're ready to go. And since they have a custom combination of Viagra, Cialis, and something called apomorphine, which is an aphrodisiac, makes it a powerful tool to increase that blood flow to your guy downstairs to get you ready and get you packing. Like you're gonna be stacked. On top of that, you get a real doctor assigned to you that you can consult about anything regarding men's health. Think of it as your personal concierge doctor. All of Rougiette's pharmaceuticals are approved by the FDA and they're backed by research. And if you guys want to check it out, you can go to rougiette.com, use my code Jose to get 15% off your first order. I'm gonna have them linked down below. Number three, you have too much body hair. See, manscaping is important. Not only is it hygienic, but it's also aesthetic. And when you start letting your body hair grow like crazy, you look smaller. See, your definition starts to smoothen out, and overall, you start looking more round. This is why bodybuilders are always shaved down, so they look as big as possible. So if you want to look more shredded, more defined, definitely shave down the body hair, and it also helps the guy downstairs. I've told you this multiple times. If you've never tried it, just bring the bush down. Just bring it down a little bit. Keep it close to you, and just see how much larger the dude downstairs is gonna look. Number four, color blocking. See, this is one of the reasons I love wearing suits or anything that's a matching set or at least in the same color family. What they do is that they make you stand taller and look taller because there's no visual interruption. So when you see me, you just see an uninterrupted silhouette, which overall elongates the visual length of how you stand so you look taller, stronger, more dominant. When you start color blocking, in other terms, wearing contrasting colors like, let's say, dark jeans and a white t-shirt versus a black tee, now you've blocked your body in half, making a hard contrast, which is an interruption that when you're looking at somebody, now your visual length has shortened and overall makes you look a little more petite. Number five, shoes with thin soles. Look, why you're even buying shoes like this, like sandals or any type of loafer that has a thin sole, honestly, I'm confused. Like, chunky soles are trending. So whether it's a loafer, a dress shoe, a sneaker, or a boot, go for shoes that have thicker soles. You could easily be adding another 1 to 2 inches to your height if you use the correct footwear. And the cool thing is, like I said, since it's trending, you're not gonna be looking out of place. You're not gonna be looking like you're wearing platform shoes and trying to look taller. Wearing thicker soled shoes overall makes men look bigger. And finally, number six, covering your biggest muscles. See, every section of your body has muscles that are more prominent, that they're the larger muscles. For example, your chest, your triceps and your arms, and your quads. These are 3 areas too many men cover up, which you should be actually uncovering. So when you're wearing a t-shirt, you want to expose your tricep because that is your largest muscle and therefore will make your arms look bigger. When you're wearing a button down, you want to unbutton a few buttons and expose that chest to show more of that bigger muscle. When you're wearing shorts, you already know, keep them above the knee and expose the quad because that's your biggest muscle and therefore will make you look bigger. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rougiette. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.